The San Diego College of Continuing Education is inviting the community to explore its clothing and textile program. The free event allows prospective students to learn about the program firsthand. Tonight's open house will be held from 4 to 6:30 at the West City campus. The school offers a handful of tuition-free courses in fashion and other fields with no prior experience necessary.
And most of the time when people are deciding whether to make any decision, money is always one of the motives, right? And so being able to allow individuals in San Diego to know that these programs are free, that removes the barrier of financing of anything, right? And they're free regardless of citizenship or income. You just need to be 18 years or older and a California resident.
To learn more about the College of Continuing Education, head to fox5sandiego.com, click the Scene on tab.